We made it out to the airport, guys. Alright, we now waiting for our flight. It's like 20 minutes until we board. Probably a little bit less than that. She tired. She ain't getting no sleep. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys on the plane. I'm gonna let her sit at the window seat this time around because I always sit at the window seat. So she's gonna do all the recording for us taking off. So hopefully she's not scared.
Opportunity for you to come to our beautiful country. Let's start with this first. Mexico, it is considered a huge country.
Okay.
I don't know if you know, but my whole country has 31 states.
31?
Including the capital of the country, which is Ciudad de Mexico.
Okay.
Okay? If you want to see my country, you gotta go Xcaret. You have to do Xcaret, amigo. But do not miss the show. You have to see the show.
Yo, your boy officially made it out, bro. The room looks sick. Sick. I can't really hear that well because when I'm on planes and I land, it does something with my ear. Like the pressure kind of makes me go deaf. Like I can hear myself inside my head. It's weird. It's a weird thing. I don't know. No one else has to deal with it but me. But the room is sick. Vanessa's back there. Can you guys guess where we are? If you guessed it by now, you're a real one. But we out here about to probably go downstairs, figure out a way to get some food real quick because your boy's starving. We've been up since 6 o'clock this morning, so I'm hungry. She trying to be hella fancy for no reason.
You know the vibes.
She saw strawberries and was like, yep, gotta get me some of those. But why they give you one wine glass?
Because I'm singular.
Yeah, alright. What is good, y'all? So today is the next day. We are officially here in Mexico. We did all that we did all that exploring yesterday. We did everything. Today we're probably gonna go to it's called like Explorer, so you're gonna be zip lining and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have the GoPro footage for y'all. But today is a special day because today is me and Vanessa's 10-year anniversary. And if you guys remember, I said that I was doing something for my future. I was using my money for the future. Today I'm gonna be proposing to Vanessa. I'm like super nervous. I bought the ring maybe a month or so ago, and I can't believe today came, man. I'm like nervous. But I told her we were gonna go for a walk down this like dope bridge that they have because we were exploring yesterday and I was just trying to find a nice location. So that's when I'm gonna do it. So let's get to it. It's 8:33 in the morning. So you gonna tell them where we are?
We in Mexico.
Yes, sir. Nah, me and your boy's out here in his highly official attire. Bang. today is? Do you?
Do what?
Do you?
Do what?
You on high definition camera right here.
Oh nah, get out my phone.
Yo, this place is so big, bro. I get lost every time. I do not know where I'm at. Till this day. This is our second day here. But we about to show y'all what Mexico got to offer. The right way. Look. Parrots. If you look ahead, you'll see some monkeys.
Not yet. We're about to do a stop real quick and then we're gonna.
Here we go, people. She doesn't even know. Okay, stop. And I'm gonna tell you when to stop. Stop. Thank you.
This is not how I wanted to find out.
This place is sick. You want to take a picture with the... Ooh, who's this fly guy? Got the Yeezys. Oh yeah. Damn, that's my fiance now. Like, that's crazy. She been my girlfriend 10 years. Now she my fiance. What? What?